Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having best-in-class fuel economy, a good deal, and loaded with features. Features also include satellite radio, steering wheel controls, MP3, hands-free Bluetooth integration. With these ratings, stop by and take a look at the 2019 Tacoma. Toyota Tacoma boasts a roomy interior, a powerful V6 option, and excellent off-road capability, and has been named the best-selling compact pickup by MotorIntelligence.com 5 years in a row. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: sliding rear window, traction control, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, fog lights, mirror memory, headlights auto off, cruise control, trip computer, child safety locks. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.